I'm having a problem with this 2007 Cadillac DTS. It has the North Star engine. As you can see, this already burnt out. Can't control the windows anymore. What it's doing is the computer, my scanner's not reading it. This is the dash lights. And nothing's working right. This is what it does. It cranks but does not start. And my OBD2 is not picking up. It's saying that the computer is not linking to it. I checked every fuse. Every fuse has been looked. Nothing. I mean, it's not starting. I put new grounds, new battery. This is how many miles is on it. Saying service AC and all of this stuff. Like, this switch is burnt. This is done. You can even see one of the pins missing. Burnt right out. I have checked every single fuse in here. I pulled each fuse out one by one, looked at it. Brand new battery. Charger's plugged to it right now, so the battery doesn't go flat. Ground has been cleaned. That's the back seat. So, DTS. North Star V8. See, the ground is all done. Brand new battery. Been cleaning all the wiring. I will go under the hood. I replaced the the power steering pump. I don't know what this is. And this was loose and taped up from GM. Not sure what that is. I'm not sure what that is either. Every single fuse in here is not blown. Checked everything under the hood. I replaced all the spark plugs are done. I've been unsleeving all the wires, checking for broken wires. I've done everything under here. Really don't know what else. I'm not sure what this is, but I had disconnected to check if there was any corrosion on the connections, and there's none. Planning to get to this. Mass airflow sensor's good. That's replaced. This is replaced. That's replaced. The sensor here. I have replaced the cam sensor over here on the passenger side, in the corner over here. Right here where I'm pointing at, somewhere over there. Yes, right here. I replaced that sensor here. A lot of new parts, hoping would do the job, didn't do it. Somebody please give me an idea. We got plenty of fuel pressure also, and I got Noid lights, and I know that the fuel injection is firing, so Give me a hand if you can. Thank you for watching. Bye. What's up, buddy?
Hi, our school is giving money to the Animal Refuge League. Would you like to donate some?
Some money?
To the Animal Refuge League. Thank you.
You're welcome.